Kuzangpula, this is Sonam Chotin reporting from Thermalinka Resort and Spa in Thimphu, where the Bhutan Film Institution and the Department of Media, Creative Industry and Intellectual Property have launched the Movie Hub. The event was graced by the Secretary of the Ministry of Industry, Commerce and Employment.
Longin somi tsugi dole inse shudol ngachra gyocha beruta chapse beruta labi me beruta gararula te chidi ngachi gachi no sumta musa wajin da ani movie hub der lishimbe aso wajin da chinga gi shudu sumbe da ngachi jubigi longin somi da chimi du songachi zomni gi atla hata mela te dani de ngachi gochube shada wajin te khon zomchu chichigi te nekap disuten tele ngachiragi duk longin di pisu katimchi bangsupka digi yente bombera thoni ime se shodola te digi natin nile chige khablu te ngachiragi duk yakhabgi lamlusi gadibe dugala te chige khabgi misugi shechuni gi dolela chidila te chide ngachiragi duk longin dira te ya yagi tanguti nasbi geche se shodola.
The launch event was attended by several distinguished guests, including prominent Bhutanese filmmakers, actors, and producers, reflecting the wide interest and support from the national creative community. To commemorate the launch of the Movie Hub, the film With Love from Bhutan, written and directed by 𝐏𝐥𝐚𝐭𝐫𝐲, was screened as a part of events proceeding.
The login ki movie hub to yubda wachinda the ngachara this login rere shindu be dawrere na login rere ta the dinalu tup ma tup disu ngachara chitu ani mola zatsang zumbe chitu buluchu be tina ani zumbe lo lap chi be wachin tenga chi chotha be ni gita tu basic sa ko na du ngachi gusup chi me ani boda ngagi di khadbe no stand be ro ani namsim lejum me ngachi login sokpadi ta lo lap denga namse same ga de ommela ta ngachi login sokpadi ka timchi ga to gi sa go na hini me se ta ngachara disu dawrin chara login re newsin be dichika rupeta dinalunga chi shetota tup matu disuka debuga ngachi ki gati chokhochapo bega twishena chokhochapo duga the tapsip nalu chokhochapo duga sungtani na chokhochapo duga the anisukara ngachi ki tishi buluchu be the juchi benigi kokapom be thomese shonila.
The hub will facilitate film screenings, workshops, panel discussions, and networking opportunities, thereby serving as a catalyst for creative exchange and sectorial growth within the broader media and creative industry landscape.
That movie kademchi ngachi release be ngagira yuchi movie 60-70 nala phara chi on la tebedalo da ngachi experience te ani naludi ngachi movie chi be delen te anim chi be ba direct screening chi be anim chi ge zo be dino ba so movie hub digi be hachi ngachi connection lejum be baung chu bela ngachi meso chi di ngachi da analu movie hub nalu de directors, producers, script writers, music composers kar chi khabe oni digi starting from crews mo shane be oni digi tele anale ngachi ideas share besu beba jesur besu beba chichilu to way anale be wachi ani wo trap che an next na be besu be mos labdalu ngachiri gi movie industry di uplift be nimese te ngaragi be wachi ani be choila.
The Movie Hub is envisioned as a platform for filmmakers, artists and cinema enthusiasts to come together, share ideas and spark creativity. To be held once a month, the hub will offer a dedicated space for the members of the Bhutan's growing film industry can collaborate, network and showcase their work. For Bhutan Today News, this is Sonam Chotin with cameraman 𝐿𝐥𝐴𝐷𝐿.